Yes, we are right back here at the incredible luxury Scorpios project, but today is definitely a special treat because today we are gonna highlight one of the most incredible total level custom condos that has ever been done here at the luxury Scorpios building. This is one that we have been getting requests on to do a full video like this since the day we first posted on the website. So we apologize for the delay on this, but I'm telling you, this is gonna be one. It's gonna knock your socks off. All right, so of course the first question is, Ryan, what the heck happened to your shoes? Well, today we are inside a condo that is absolutely forbidden to wear shoes, which we absolutely love because, come on, this is how to live when you're living on the beach, right? All right, so particulars about this one. We're talking about a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, completely custom, total level condo. 271 meters, it's almost 3,000 square feet, glass panoramic elevator, which you saw, 2 private parking and bodega, and so much more on this. I'm telling you, it's like every other thing you're gonna see, your jaw is gonna continue to be able to be on the ground. So without further ado, let's jump into it. And of course, starting out, coming home with the best ride in the house, your glass panoramic elevator overlooking the Pacific Ocean with direct entry into this absolutely magnificent custom total level condo. Now, starting off here in your main living area, man, there's just a plethora to be able to point out, but everything you're gonna see here today is all custom done. I mean, all the woodwork, the cabinetry, everything was custom designed and done. Starting off with this incredible entertainment center here. Even your AC up above is actually hidden, but everything is done through here, your sub-mount flat screen TV, your custom lighting above, your custom lighting below, and of course, all the drawers are all soft close, plenty of additional storage. But for you entertainers out there, people that like to entertain family and friends, or who just like to enjoy a drink at sunset, welcome to your own private mini bar. Your wet bar, complete with the deep dish sub-mount sink, even your outlet right here for, to hook up your blender for margaritas and so forth. Absolutely everything done. You have this really gorgeous porcelain countertop as well with the veins. It almost looks like a marble, but it's actually a porcelain. Very well done, very durable. And then of course you have the rest of your custom bar set up through here, even complete with your wine beverage fridge right here as well. But there is so much to see in this condo, so let's keep going. Now everyone loves to say that the kitchen is the heart of a home. I'm telling you what, this is a heart and a kitchen unlike anything else I've ever seen in this area. It's absolute perfection. Starting off, for all of you dog lovers, this is gonna be one of 2 big surprises for your little friends. Look at this. They actually have their own little hideaway for their food and water out of the way as well, so it's a nice little bonus for all the dog lovers out there. But everything about this kitchen is made for, oh man, just enjoyment, entertaining, and just stunning beauty as well. Again, you have this gorgeous oversized porcelain countertop, plenty of space to be able to work with. You have the upgraded faucet fixture, you have your water filtration system here, and then look at the size of this sink. Even your soap dispenser is under it, out of the way. You have your glass washer right here, and again, everything about this custom sink is made for function, design, and beauty. This table over here, this extra, almost like a butcher block section, a lot of people have said, oh, that's a really cool feature, but it doesn't stop there because this literally is on rollers. It rolls right out. So if you want to have a few extra people to be able to sit around this table or move this table outside, again, the benefits of this are just absolutely wonderful. And of course, this huge center island is also complete with all of your plugs on the side, even your USB ports as well. And then of course, the custom lighting, which we've gotten so many compliments on those pendulum lighting. It's just amazing. And then of course, the rest of the custom lighting throughout this kitchen, everything was thoughtfully and tastefully done. Now coming into this section to here, I mean, if you need more storage than this, I don't know if I can help you because this is a ton of storage. Now starting off through here, these are all the cafe appliances, cafe super high end, the cafe refrigerator, your oven and the other cooktop, your dishwasher, and then of course your additional wine fridge around. Now these are not included in the condo, but as I always like to say, everything can be negotiable. So if you really fall in love with this appliances, then of course we can always try to make an offer and see if we can be able to bring it home for you. But that being said, the rest of the porcelain countertop is just unbelievable. And even this, look at this. Everything is thoughtfully done, hidden away, out of the way. The chef here loves minimalist, but yet functionality at the same time. So everything was thought perfectly well for you. And again, all of your pulls and even your pulls through here, everything was done, all the soft close and everything through here as well. So this kitchen is, again, I know I get so many compliments on this kitchen because let's be frank as well. When you're sitting here cooking up your masterpiece and this is the view to enjoy, your only risk is maybe burning your food because you're gonna be mesmerized with this. But man, this is it's a dream condo. So coming down the hallway here, again, all of this is custom done. This beautiful glass cabinetry with the custom lighting through in. It's just a gorgeous armoire case. Show off whatever you want to be able to show off. But all of this work was done by local artisans right here in Manta Ecuador. Now stepping this way, this is currently set up as a theater, but of course this would be used as a bedroom if you so choose. But the current seller has this as their own private theater room, complete with, again, all the custom cabinetry. And look at this. The TV is even on a swivel. I mean, they thought of everything in this condo. Again, all of your undermount custom lighting, everything is done. The ceiling fans, your AC. The blinds are also motorized. They're electric, so you hit a button, they go up and down. You have a shade blind and also a blackout blind. So if you're gonna watch TV or something during the day, you can bring the blackout, have a nice little dark theater room. And then of course the sliding glass door looking right out over the ocean and access to this little terrace right there. Perfect spot for a sunset. So if you're watching Netflix or sunset, I'm choosing the sunset. Coming this way, this is gonna be your full shared bath between the bedroom I'm about to show you and the theater/bedroom that we just came from. But even this bathroom is magnificent. Look at the tile work that they chose for this. Again, absolutely gorgeous to give it that just texture, that feel of something different. The backlit custom mirror, again, the sub-mount Duravit sink, the Hansgrohe fixtures, and even your soap dispenser is actually sub-mounted. Again, they thought of everything. Plenty of room in the shower, custom shower, and even an ocean view while you bathe or while your guests bathe. And then of course, the elongated shower nook as well. Again, everything was done for your pleasure and functionality. Oh, and then of course you have this beautiful linen closet right here. Again, tons of additional storage. And then coming this way here, this is gonna be your other guest bedroom. Now this bedroom is of course set up as a full guest bedroom, easily big enough for a king size if you wanted to switch this out for king size bed. Currently set up as a queen, but again, all the custom woodwork was done. So if it were me, I would leave it just the way it comes. Floor to ceiling, huge sliding glass doors. And again, your guests wake up to that ridiculous ocean view. A quick thing to point out, so down this hallway, this is actually your main front door for your guests. So when your guests come up to visit, they're gonna come to the door here, which I actually really love because as they come through the door, they hit that hallway and they immediately see the wow factor ocean views. But this room right here isn't just a laundry room. This is your second big surprise for all of you dog lovers out there. Not only is this a custom done full laundry room with stackable washer dryer, you have this double sink right here. Again, beautiful porcelain countertops, but look at this. You even have your own dog wash. Look at this. This is a dog lover's paradise. You have your own dog wash right here. So when you're done walking them on the beach, you bring your furry little friends up here, you give them a quick bath, everything is done. I mean, this condo just has it all. All right, now before I show you your complete primary wing of this ridiculous condo, I want to take a quick little moment to go over some of the amenities here at the gorgeous luxury Scorpios project that are unlike anything else currently on offer in the area. So starting off, of course, you have that gorgeous beachfront heated infinity pool, complete with jacuzzi. Your elevator takes you all the way down to the beach, so for easy access down there as well. You also have a full gym with floor to ceiling windows looking right out over the Pacific because of course, if you kind of work out, as I always say, you might as well enjoy the view. Now also going up to the rooftop, this building is truly special because the back half of this building on the rooftop is designated for all the owners to be able to utilize and enjoy. So you can take the glass elevator straight up to the rooftop. The first half facing out towards the sunset, perfect spot to be able to watch that from. Has an absolutely gorgeous bar area as well. So your friends and neighbors from the building, wherever you invite over, can be able to go up there, hang out, watch the sunset. And on the other side, overlooking the entire city and the port and the bay, is going to be a owners only relaxation area as well, complete with outdoor kitchen barbecue. Best place to have a little get together barbecue out there as the sun goes down and the city lights light up. It's absolutely stunning. So coming into this section of your home, this is going to be coming into your primary wing of this incredible condo with a big bonus to be able to showcase for you. But I wanted to stop off real quick and show you your half bath social, because even the half bath social, I mean, this is beautiful. Absolutely thought of everything. You have this gorgeous custom tile, give it that bit of the additional feel. You have your backlit mirror and of course your porcelain countertop, sub-mount Duravite sink with the Hansgrohe faucets. But this is your domain. This whole section of the condo is all for you. So I'm gonna make you wait on that. You're gonna be amazed at that. But coming in through here for all you ladies, you have your own personal makeup station right through here. And then coming in through here, this is gonna be your home office. Now they currently have it set up as a studio/home office, but for those of you who are still gonna work from home, whether you invest, day trade, you have a nonprofit or something, whatever you wanna do with this room, this is gonna be something that you're still gonna be able to enjoy to use, because again, floor to ceiling windows looking right out over the open ocean. You have the port right there of Manta off there in the distance. You can watch the cruise ships come in, and at night, that view is absolutely ridiculous. All right, you ready for the surprise? Follow me. Welcome to your own private jacuzzi room. This is my favorite part about this entire condo. Look at this. You have this full jacuzzi, everything digital. Huge jacuzzi, it even lights up, but again, you have all the custom tile work throughout. You even have your own private shower area through here. But the coup de grace is not only just soaking in this incredible tub, but the view, because whether you're gonna soak in the morning and watch the sunrise literally right there, in the middle of the day and you get to watch the cruise ships and everything going on, or even at night when the whole city lights up in front of you, this is relaxation paradise. All right, your relaxation retreat of a primary bedroom is certainly not going to disappoint. You will continue to be amazed. Starting off here in your ensuite, absolutely gorgeous custom bathroom. And again, everything was so thoughtfully done. Of course, you have your dual vanity right here, your sub-mount sink, all the custom cabinetry, your custom lighting, the custom backlit lighting around this mirror, and a gorgeous view to be able to get ready to overlooking the port, the Bay of Manta right out there. But it does not stop, because look at this shower. Everything again about this shower is all custom, from the custom tile work, the Hansgrohe upgraded shower system, I don't even know how to work this, but I'd have fun learning, your wand, and look at the size of that shower head. That Hansgrohe shower head is massive. Again, complete enjoyment in the shower, and it doesn't even stop there, because even your toilet is remote controlled. All the bells and whistles, even in your toilet, I'm telling you, they thought of everything. And for the closet lovers, you have a huge wall of closet space. Not only is it absolutely gorgeous with the nice brass pulls, but it's also custom lighting within the closet space as well. You're cut out here for your big screen flat TV. All the drawers, again, soft close. Everything is just clean and so tastefully and thoughtfully done. And look at the bed. This is a real wood. I'm telling you, it took multiple people just to get this bed up here. I remember when it was delivered, nothing short of spectacular, custom bed done. And again, your views looking straight over the open ocean when you wake up in the morning is absolutely the best way to start your day. Nice little point out feature as well. These rails right here, these are for your blinds. So not only do you have your shade blind, of course, but more importantly, you have this blackout blind. So if you do like to sleep in the morning a little bit, but you don't want some of the natural light to kind of come around the corner, this blackout is a complete blackout. It's within the channel all the way down, but of course it's all motorized as well. So when you do awaken from your slumber, you hit a button and that is the view that you wake up to, the absolute best way to start your day. But your views are your absolute icing on the cake on your new total level condo. I mean, come on, look at this. These are absolutely extraordinary. You look out over the entire city of Manta. You have the mountains of Monte Cristi off there in the distance. You see the entire bay right here. You have the Manta port, so you watch the cruise ships come in. You have Murcielago Beach right down there at your fingertips. During the whale season right now, the whales are jumping just offshore. But again, the balcony space. I mean, think about what you can do with all of this balcony space. You can install hammocks. You can install, new custom furniture, whatever your heart desires. But this is, I'm sure, where you will be spending most of your days just relaxing here, enjoying the beach life. And in the evenings, your sunset is right out here in front of you for the absolute best seat in the house. All right, now as always, don't forget to stay tuned to the end of the video to see the blooper section. We always love to have fun when we shoot these videos for you. And if you can't laugh at yourself, what's the point of life, right? So wrapping up on this one, we have a total level, custom floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 271 meters, almost 3,000 square feet, direct entry off your glass panoramic elevator overlooking the Pacific Ocean, all the custom woodwork, the cabinetry, your full custom wet bar for entertaining, your one-off ridiculously beautiful custom kitchen with all the custom lighting, all the bells and whistles, your theater room current setup, you have your custom laundry area with your custom dog wash area. I mean, come on, for all you dog lovers, that's perfect. Then you have, oh my goodness, your private jacuzzi room. I mean, come on, who has their own private jacuzzi room overlooking the Pacific Ocean? You have obviously this 3/4 wraparound balcony, and then of course you have all the amenities of the Scorpios project, your heated beachfront infinity edge pool, your jacuzzi, your elevator for direct access down to the beachfront, your gym, your dual observation deck on the rooftop, all this and more. Asking price on this one, $679,900. $679,900, ladies and gentlemen, and this one-off custom condo is all yours. As always, thank you very much for joining us. Another one of these incredible video property tours brought to you by the luxury real estate professionals here of Ecuador Shores Realty. Please continue to follow us as always on all of our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube of Ecuador Shores Realty, and our custom professional website of EcuadorShoresRealty.com. And until the next video, we look forward to seeing you right down here in paradise. Have a great day, everybody. With the views over the open ocean and then literally walking in right, what am I gonna say? So coming into your oasis of this absolutely, I say oasis a lot, about this was so thought out. Everything of course from the, I don't know where I'm going with that. Complete of course with the dual vanity sub mount, margaritas or something like that, easily able to do so. And then of course, I was going somewhere with that. Let's try that again. You love? Of course you love. Everybody loves. Don't we all love? You have your backlit mirror, you have your porcelain countertops, your undermount Duravit sink, Hansgrohe faucets, and beautiful toilet. Sure, toilet can be beautiful.